Hey everyone, Bri the Sky Guy here from A Time for Science with a new topic to explore in space science, and that will be the solar system. So today we will be answering the age-old question, what is a solar system? So, what is a solar system? A solar system is a star and everything that orbits it, or everything that goes around that star. So that would include planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and even dwarf planets. So we are a part of a solar system. Our planet, the Earth, orbits the sun with all of those other objects that I mentioned. But there is more than one solar system out there in outer space. In our exploration of our galaxy, the Milky Way, we have discovered thousands of other solar systems, each one of them with its own unique blend of planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets. Now, in our solar system, there's a pattern to how it is structured, how it's set up, how everything's all laid out there around our star. The inner solar system is made up of small rocky planets all very close to the sun. These inner planets are called terrestrial planets, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then we have the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is a rocky ring around the sun that separates the inner solar system from the outer solar system. The asteroid belt is made up of millions of asteroids. Most of these asteroids are very small, smaller than the Earth and the Moon. After the asteroid belt, we have the outer solar system, which is home to big planets that are very far away from the sun. The planets in the outer solar system have no ground. They're all atmosphere. That's why we call them gas giant planets. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. One other special thing about the planets in the outer solar system is that they have lots of moons orbiting them. Dozens, in some cases hundreds of moons orbiting them. So it's pretty spectacular out there. The solar system doesn't end with the outer solar system. Beyond Neptune, the eighth and final planet that we know of for now, we have another ring of material that orbits the sun. The Kuiper Belt is an icy ring around the sun. It's home to many of our solar system's dwarf planets like Pluto. Dwarf planets are round, planet-like worlds that are found in the two ring systems that go around the sun. So we have dwarf planets in the asteroid belt, we have dwarf planets in the Kuiper Belt. And dwarf planets are a new idea in astronomy. We have only known about dwarf planets for really the last 20 years. We are still not done with our solar system because far beyond the Kuiper Belt, we have one last part to our solar system, the Oort Cloud. The Oort Cloud is a theoretical shell of icy comets that surrounds our solar system about 1 light year or 5.8 trillion miles away from the sun. We're not sure if the Oort Cloud actually exists, but we do have evidence that it exists from the orbits of certain comets and by our investigations and observations of other stars in our galaxy. A solar system is a star and everything that orbits around it. There are many solar systems in the universe. Our solar system is made up by our star, the sun, 4 small rocky inner planets, a rocky ring called the asteroid belt, 4 big gas giant planets far away from the sun, then an icy ring called the Kuiper Belt, and then maybe a huge shell of comets called the Oort Cloud. So our solar system is just a remarkable place. And we'll be spending some time exploring each of these objects and structures that make up our solar system as we continue this series of exploring the solar system. There's so much out there to discover. Until next time, this is Bri the Sky Guy with the Time for Science signing off. Have a great day.